Hey, what's up guys? Today's news for motorcycle lovers is going to be quite interesting. For those of you who love mid-range sports bikes, the name CFMOTO 450SR is very familiar. However, for 2026, CFMOTO has brought some refinements to this popular model that truly deserve praise. Today we will talk about the new CFMOTO 450SR 2026, where the company has not only changed the look of the bike, but has also given some big surprises in terms of technicals and performance, especially for those who love bike modification. There is a big surprise in this video. First of all, let me tell you that CFMOTO has launched two variants of the 450SR in the 2026 model. One is the standard version and the other is everyone's attraction, the Akrapovic Edition. And a big change is that the company has discontinued the previous single-sided Swingarm version. Now a double-sided Swingarm is used in the entire system. So why this change? Because CFMOTO now wants to bring a balance between the bike's stability and price along with performance. The most interesting thing is their pricing strategy. They are calling it minor upgrade, lower price. The official guide price for the standard version is set at 23,980 yuan, which is about 1,000 yuan less than the previous model. In other words, an attempt has been made to provide more features at a lower price. And for those looking for something premium, the price of the Akrapovic version is kept at 28,580 yuan in China. You might be thinking, why should I pay so much more for just an exhaust? There is a technical point here. This is China's first mass-produced sport bike that brings an Akrapovic titanium exhaust directly from the factory. Usually when we install an exhaust from outside, there are police hassles or fitness certificate issues. But this bike is hitting the road with environmental certification. So you will get that great sound and performance without any legal complications. This titanium exhaust not only improves the sound, it has reduced the weight of the bike by about 2.5 kilograms, which will make the bike's handling even smoother. Now let's talk about its engine and performance. Speaking of the engine, the familiar 449.5 cc's inline twin-cylinder engine has been used in it. Its maximum power is 38 kilowatt at 9,000 RPM and torque is 40 Newton meters. However, the ECU has been optimized in the Akrapovic version, as a result of which the low-end torque and high rev performance will feel much more responsive than before. That means you will get extra confidence while riding inside the city or overtaking on the highway. Now let's come to the technology. Removing the previous 5-inch curved TFT panel, CFMOTO has now given a 6.2-inch ultra-clear full-color screen like their flagship 750SR. It will support MotoPlay navigation, vehicle connectivity and OTA updates. That means your bike's software will be updated just like a smartphone. For safety, it features Bosch's 10th generation dual-channel ABS and TCS 2.0. Cornering ABS and rain mode have been added as new features. Besides, you can adjust the TCS to 2 levels according to your preference or turn it off with one click. In the braking system, there is a Brembo for piston caliper with a 320mm single disc at the front. And a new cooling shroud has been added which will help control brake heat during long rides. Now let's talk about the global price and launch update. Many of you want to know what its price could be in our country or in the Europe or American market. Although CFMOTO has not yet given an official price list for all countries, we can get a probable idea by adding taxes and other costs based on the price in China. Below is an estimated price according to the tax structure of different countries. For USA, the standard version is going to about $5,700 to $5,900. And for the Akrapovic version it is going to about $6,000 to $6,500. And for UK standard and Akrapovic version are generally priced between £5,599 and £6,999. And for Europe, like Germany, France, Italy and Spain, European countries usually have 19% to 22% VAT. Besides, logistics costs are a bit higher. The price of two version will be between €5,900 and €7,000 due to environmental taxes in Germany and France. The price of the Akrapovic version might be slightly higher, but due to the huge popularity of sports bikes in Italy, dealers there might keep somewhat competitive prices. Overall, the 2026 CFMOTO 450SR is not a revolutionary change. Rather, it is a pragmatic or realistic update. For those looking for a beginner sports bike, the standard version is now cheaper and more feature-rich. And those who want an exclusive look and sound can go directly for the Akrapovic version. Although no major changes have been made to the bike's chassis or suspension, These small refinements in the instrument panel and electronic controls will make the riding experience more premium. CFMOTO has very intelligently tried to hold on to the market demand here. So friends, what do you think? Will it be logical to buy the Akrapovic Edition at this price? Or would you prefer to take the standard version and modify it your own way? Definitely let us know your opinion in the comments section.